Mechanical lathe, early 1800s. Use. Precision metal shaping tool, vital for producing machine parts. The mechanical lathe, often referred to as the mother of all machine tools, played a crucial role in launching the modern industrial age. While the lathe has ancient origins, it was during the early 1800s that it evolved into a high-precision, mechanically powered machine. This development marked a significant leap in the field of manufacturing, as it enabled the mass production of uniform and interchangeable metal parts, a foundational requirement for the machines and engines that powered the Industrial Revolution. A lathe functions by rotating a piece of metal, or other materials, against a cutting tool, which then shapes it with great accuracy. In the early 19th century, innovators improved upon manually operated lathes by adding mechanical components powered by steam or water. These upgrades allowed craftsmen and machinists to achieve consistent results far faster than manual methods, increasing productivity and quality. One notable advancement was the introduction of the slide rest lathe, which allowed for the precise control of the cutting tool via a mechanical handwheel system. This innovation is often credited to Henry Maudslay, a British engineer, who in the late 18th century developed machines capable of cutting uniform threads and parts. His contributions laid the groundwork for modern machining and precision engineering. The mechanical lathe became vital to nearly every industry that relied on machines, from textile manufacturing to steam engines and weapon production. Its ability to shape metal cylinders, shafts, screws, and gears with extreme precision made it indispensable. For example, steam locomotives and factory equipment required finely crafted components to function reliably, and the lathe delivered the exactitude needed to meet those demands. Beyond industrial manufacturing, the mechanical lathe also helped spur advancements in science and exploration. Telescopes, microscopes, and navigational instruments became more accurate due to the precision parts made possible by lathes. In summary, the mechanical lathe revolutionized the way machines were made. It enabled the rapid growth of industrial production and served as a foundation for countless other mechanical innovations. Its influence continues to this day in modern CNC computer numerical control lathes, which are the direct descendants of those early manually operated tools. Moral of the machine age. Precision tools like the mechanical lathe not only built machines, they shaped the future of industry and innovation.